The parents are mourning the death of their children. Families are in sorrow. Red Cross is busy recalling the drugs. Police are questioning suspects. National Assembly held extraordinary session and tasked the Health Committee to investigate the death.
I extend my condolence to the bereaved families, the untimely death of 70 children, as we are told.
The Gambia, in July of this year, the Ministry of Health detected an unusual rise in the number of cases of diarrhea and vomiting among children under the age of 5.
Gambia continued to make headlines after a drug scandal.
Many of these children affected later developed acute kidney injury, resulting in the untimely deaths of 66+ children within the last 3 months up to date.
As today issued a medical product alert for 4 contaminated medicines identified in the Gambia that had been potentially linked with acute kidney injuries.
Ami Jammeh, who lost her child, was one of the 66 children who died after taking the cough syrup. This is a fatal condition, killing most of the children who had it. Volunteers in Gambia collecting cough syrups that the country health minister has blamed for causing the deaths of dozens of children.
The Gambia government itself should be held accountable for allowing tainted drugs to enter the borders of the Gambia.
The child mortality figure of 66 is not at much variance with the recorded data for similar periods in the past.
Thousands of syrups are still uncollected.
These syrups were manufactured by Maiden Pharmaceuticals in India and were imported to the Gambia by Atlantic Pharmaceutical Company.
In this film, it will take you where parents of acute kidney injury victims came together with activists, sympathizers as they explore avenues to demand justice and accountability.